In this tutorial, we'll show you how to easily convert a video into audio file using CapCut app on your mobile device. CapCut is a versatile video editing app that lets you extract audio from your video within just a few simple steps. First, open the CapCut app and create a new project by tapping New Project. Select the video you'd like to convert and then tap the Add button. Next, navigate to the audio option at the bottom of the screen and choose Extract. Pick the video you want to turn into an audio file. Your video is now converted into an audio format. You can further customize it by adjusting the volume, adding sound effects, or merging it with other audio tracks. This feature in CapCut makes it convenient to reuse video content or create a new project using just the audio. Once you're done editing, you can export your project as usual. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.